everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. For this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to download and install the OneDrive application. Now to do that, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Once you open the Google Play Store, you need to tap on search bar on top, and there you need to type in OneDrive. Tap on search. There's the Microsoft OneDrive. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be fully downloaded first. So this process is particularly for the Android users. If you are using an iOS device, what you need to do is go to the App Store, and from there you can search for the application to be downloaded. As you can see, the downloading process of the application is completed. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Microsoft OneDrive application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.